So, oh wait, what is it?
Who is most likely to?
We're doing a video today of who is most likely to. But we also have some food to eat as well. So we'll be doing kind of like a food slash who's most likely to.
We'll mostly just do who's most likely to, but
Yeah.
we'll be eating while we do it.
And we got sweets, of course, because sweets are my favourite. Yummy. Okay, let's get into it.
Yay. These are our signs.
I made them.
Read it? And, yeah. And then me. So I have to get boring red, and Hannah decorated it really nicely for her. Who's most likely to be the best at math? Definitely me. To be a drama queen? I think me.
For sure, I think Ben. I think
I take things a little bit too seriously sometimes.
Sometimes. I'm just like, oh well, that
Matter.
just happened. Okay, I don't mind.
My bad. Who is most likely to hold their breath the longest?
Ew. I need to take those. I need to hold your breath. You win. It wins.
Ooh, excuse me. I won that one. Who's most likely to do weird things in public?
1 second.
Well, does the camera start as public? Because at the moment you're winning.
No, that's Ben. It's very strange.
Basically, my older brother told me this thing one time, is stop caring what everyone else thinks, and I really took it into heart, and so I basically just do whatever I want whenever I want. Is that pretty much true?
That's right.
Yeah.
Not in a bad way though. More like do what you want and don't really care what other people think
Yeah,
about you.
pretty much. Who is most likely to kill someone accidentally?
Maybe.
I was gonna say you. Like, you might like just trip over your foot and like push someone.
Like someone's holding a knife
car
or something.
Yeah.
Or that, yeah. I'm super clumsy. Who's most likely to get in a fight? Huh.
I would probably say me.
I was gonna say me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I just think like sometimes guys just want to fight for like no reason.
Maybe. Is that how you feel?
No.
You want to fight for no reason?
No.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So
Like
other
other
guys. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I'll jump in and defend you as well.
It's a tie.
Who's most likely to talk to animals?
Does it mean like just talk for fun to animals, or
I think so.
like actually develop something that you can talk to animals?
Hmm.
Either way, I think it's you.
Oh, I was going to say both of us. Yeah, probably me. I love dogs and animals so much.
But then again, like I have like this weird bond. Like any pet I ever meet, they just like fall in love with me instantly.
You know what? So we have 3 cats at home, and Friday loves Ben. Oh, all of the cats actually, especially Friday, loves Ben so much. Like we'll be laying in bed, and she will come up to me and just like, oh no, it's not you. I want Ben,
And she's
like
known you
come
for
in
how long?
for like ever since her whole life. And then like Ben's like, oh, I'll meet you for 5 minutes, and then like you're in love. What the hell? It makes me so mad. Ugh.
Damn cat.
I just want Friday to love me.
Who is most likely to cry in a sad movie? I'm gonna say me.
Really? I get really emotional in movies. If they're rom-coms, I'll just bawl my eyes out. Or like even just romantic movies.
What's that one with Marley and Me?
Marley and Me?
My God.
That's so sad.
I cried for like a few days after the movie. I think that when I first watched The Notebook,
Yeah.
the first time I watched that, I cried.
That gets me every time.
I wish I didn't tell people. It's a tie.
Okay.
We're both softies.
Who's most likely to worry about small things?
Yeah.
I'm just a little warrior. I just worry about everything.
Yeah. You're pretty good most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time. Sometimes I just worry about stupid things that aren't going to happen. Okay, I'm going to try my matcha.
Who's most likely to be a stand-up comedian? I said you.
No, I said you.
I am the worst at telling jokes. I just like start laughing like 3 lines before the punchline, or
Funny.
just I'm not good at telling jokes.
You are definitely. I would say definitely you.
Maybe.
You're really good at telling stories. I'm not a storyteller at all. I try to tell a story, and it's like 2 lines, and then that's it.
Or you get like sidetracked and like go on a tangent about like some detail that doesn't matter to the story, but
Like
it
the
was
puppy's colour,
but it's important to you.
yeah, like a dog's collar, the colour of it, and then it doesn't even, not relevant to a story or something. I don't know. Who's most likely to win an Olympic medal?
Ooh.
I think you would win an Olympic medal for maybe swimming or something like, what's that thing how you like go around and it's like a big old...
Hammer throw.
Yeah, that's it. I think you would win for
Why
that.
wouldn't that?
I don't know, you're strong. Who's most likely to break some world records? If it was like an unusual one.
Me. Longest farts.
Oh my god, most farts.
I forgot to talk about farts. Me. Longest farts. I do so many farts.
Not longest, just most.
I do some really long ones though.
Yeah, I've heard longer.
Oh wow.
Who's most likely to invent something useful?
You?
Mhm.
You just like come up with like weird things that like no one else would think of.
Yeah, I have like a weird imagination, like a really weird imagination. Like, I don't know. Yeah, I think I would invent something pretty cool, like something that will get you dressed in the morning if you didn't want to hop up out of bed. Yummy.
Who is
Tasty.
most likely to not take a shower for a week? Oh, you reckon me? I hate being dirty though.
But
Yeah,
I think
me. I have done it before, like when I was little, but I don't
when
think
you
I
were
would.
little,
I don't think I would do it again.
maybe when you're like a teenager or something.
Yeah, probably.
Must play games.
Pretty much.
Who's most likely to live in a zoo? Me.
We should become a zoologist or something.
Yeah. And no, I just want to
Does
look
that count?
after the orangutans. Yummy. Who's most likely to spend all of their money on something stupid? Both of us.
Really? So I think you spend money, but like you buy stuff that you can use. Because I feel like I would buy something and be like, why did I buy that? And regret it. Who is most likely to plea bargain for a crime they didn't commit? I would say me. Hannah's so stubborn. She'll be like, no, I'm innocent. She'll fight it until she dies.
That's so true. I would be like, no, I'm not doing that. I'm not taking that plea bargain. I did not do it. That's the end of it.
Who's most likely to adopt a dog? That's easy.
We were talking about it the other day. We said, this is probably very premature, but we said when we reach 1 million subscribers, we'll get a dog. Most likely to always carry hand sanitizer.
Sorry, I read that before.
Me, because I do.
He already does, yeah.
I had food poisoning the other month, and even before then actually, I was just like, oh, I need hand sanitizer all the time, so I put it on. But now I'm even more cautious that for some reason I got food poisoning from touching something, but obviously I didn't. But like I just have this weird thing in my head that now I need to put hand sanitizer on it all the time. Yeah.
Because I don't give a crap.
That's right. Who is most likely
I
to
see.
annoy someone on purpose? You
Yeah.
always. I think it's just a boy thing because my brother used to do
Yeah.
it all the
It
time.
might be.
Like he
And I
would.
learned from the best as well. So I had 3 older brothers, and they would just annoy me on purpose. And now
Yeah.
it's like, well, I got annoyed on purpose. Now I'm gonna annoy people on purpose.
My brother used to like in the car if he was sitting in the back or whatever, like pull tiny strings of your hair like from the back. He'd be like, "What the hell? What is that?"
Who is most likely to be a good photographer?
I think maybe both of us, but you really have like a good passion for like taking photos at the moment, and I think whenever you put your mind to something, you usually succeed in it. So
Yeah.
I think it's probably you.
I just noticed like whenever you take a photo, it's always like this. Or
Okay, Who is most likely to be a spy? Me.
Nah.
Me.
You can't lie.
Yeah, I can't. But a spy, no one will ever see me. You know, when I was little, I used to want to be a spy so bad.
Like a spy is like someone that's like, you know,
Or like infiltrated,
in, yeah,
like
in
a...
the government or something.
Oh yeah. Yeah, alright, I changed my mind then. But I always wanted to be a spy. Yummy. Who's most likely to be a witch or wizard?
Annie.
Yay! That's what I can be! Yeah. I just want to be a witch. And like, make little potions and stuff. Who's most likely to escape prison?
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna say you.
I was going to say because I wouldn't be in there in the first place.
Oh, ouch. Ouch.
I think it's you. Who's most likely to
Be late.
be late? Yeah.
That's easy. Me? What?
I don't want to be late.
I'm always early.
Yeah. Who is most likely to finish the rest of my food?
Oh, easy. Oh, me.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. I get to eat like 1.5 meals every time I go out. Because that one meal is never enough.
And then one meal is too much, so I just give him my leftovers.
Perfect.
And he eats them.
Yay.
Yay! Oh, maybe who's most likely to be an artiste?
Easy.
Me.
I'm like so not artistic other than photography.
If you've seen our previous video on us drawing portraits and drawing stuff,
Oh my gosh.
I think we're probably the same level of what's it called?
Drawing skill.
Yeah, of skills, but I think I could probably be better. So that's it for our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed us trying our little snacks.
while we're doing this.
Yeah, I was just hungry, I think.
Me too. If you have any more who's most likely to, leave them in the comment.
Definitely.
And
We'll
get
try our
back
best.
to you.
So,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
thanks for watching. Bye.
Who's most likely to eat a fart?
Delicious.
Delicious.